Something seems to be horribly going wrong in Mamata Banerjee's West Bengal. Well, after the shameful incident of the child being forced to lick her own urine comes another shocker. Now, 3 girls in an East Midnapur school have been beaten up mercilessly for spilling water on the school floor. Horrifyingly, the headmistress of the school forced one of the girls to strip before making her sweep the floor. The victim has been left in a state of shock after this incident came to light and has now come down with fever and has been bedridden ever since. For more on this, our Kolkata bureau chief Abhijit Nandi Majumdar joins us on the phone line. Abhijit, what is happening in Mamata land? Corporal punishment? Well, this is not even punishment, this is torture.
Meghna, this girl in this Midnapur near to a Haldia school, she was accused of spilling water on one of her in the class, and one of her colleagues sitting in the next bench has complained against this girl to the class teacher. The class teacher has asked the girl to kind of strip and open her clothes and clean up the water with her clothes. That's what the allegations are. That's what the girl is alleged, and the family is alleging at the moment. But the girl broke down at the suggestion of it, and then when she refused to do it, she was taken to the headmaster's office, and where she was beaten up. That's the allegation. After that, it was taken to the hospital, and now she is in a state of trauma, and she refuses to go back to school at the moment. The headmaster of the school has pulled up the teacher, and they have sought an explanation. They have spoken to the girl's parents, and they have sought a time of 7 days, following which the action will be taken against the teacher.
Well, Abhijit, do stay on with us. Let's listen into what the headmistress had to say in her own defense.
গোটা ক্লাসই বলেছে, অন্য একজন ছাত্রী বলেন। তাই বলে কি আপনি বলেন? ক্লাসটাকে কন্ট্রোলে আনতে হবে তো, ক্লাসটাকে কন্ট্রোলে আনতে হবে। কি করে আনবো? গোটা ঘরের মধ্যে যদি জলের ঢেউ বয়ে থাকে, তাহলে একটা ক্লাসকে তো কন্ট্রোলে আনতে হবে। ক্লাস করেছে, তারপরে বাড়িতে বিছানা সজ্জা হয়ে যায়, সেটা কি আপনারা বলবেন? আমি বিশ্বাস করি না। বিছানা সজ্জার মতো আমি মানিয়ে নিই।